My Tesla Model 3 is really great in many ways, but when it comes to fit really long things, no car is really fit for it without compromises. You have to compromise the seat capacity in the back. But when you would like to use all the seats in the car and transport long things, what do you do then? For me, this only becomes a problem when it comes to exercise my passion for skiing. This is not a unique problem, and thanks to that there is a solution, and that writes roof racks. Tesla did think of this when it comes to the design of the Tesla Model 3. That was one thing that I thought from the beginning, that Tesla should have been compromised away in the hurry to get the Model 3 out on the market. But luckily they did not. And here is the roof rack system for the Tesla Model 3. Let's unbox it. Okay, so let's start the unboxing of this thing. Okay, so what do we have in this package? Here is one piece that is supposed to go on the... This is two pieces here together. Let's take this first out. And here we can see that this part is going forward in this direction of the car. And let's see if we put this one here. And the next one. This one has also a sign for going forward in a direction. Something in this box here. No, this is not a box, this is just some kind of material here. And what is here? Here is plenty of details. Manual of how to do this, how to mount it onto the car, and let's open this box here now and see what is in here. Here is some kind of tool to mount it within the glass. We'll put this one in this box here. And here is a measurement. Okay, I wonder what to do with this one. Keys. Key that the tool to use to put the thing to be attached to the roof rack. These are looking like this, and these are going into the car under the glass roof. But it's not the glass roof that is keeping them in place. We will look at that later when we will mount the roof rack on the car. And then there is these ones. What are these? Let's check it. Okay, these are some pieces here. And here is also a marker showing that this goes to the front of the car. Should not mount them like this then. Well, that's good. Have these kind of instructions Same thing with those, 4 of them. And at last we have these small details here. And if we can open these also. These are looking like this, some kind of bolts that you're screwing the thing into. Here is some covers. Like this. And the second piece is also the next one, so it's 4 of them. Now I'm a little bit interested to see what this is looking like here. What is here? How does this look like? It has some kind of protection, so it shouldn't be. Can I just use this one a little bit to just cut the scotch here? Okay, so this looks like this. Some kind of mechanism here for the locking pin also. Okay, so let me point out some details here. Those 2 units, they are not the same. So one is apparently to go on the back side, and one is to mount in the front. This one is a little bit longer, and this is a little bit shorter. So, and then also there is those stickers here that you are supposed to put in a certain place on the car to protect it from damaging the paint of the car.
But these units are not enough to put the skis on top of the car in a safe way. We need some kind of box or holder. But when it comes to mount a ski box on the car, I'm afraid that the drag will be too high and the range will suffer too much. So I bought the Yakima FatCat EVO Silver for 6 ski pairs. Let's also unbox that now and see how it looks like.
This seems to be looking like that, okay. And then we have some thing in here, some mounting details. One, two, three, 4, and here is also 4 of these, and some more details with screws here. We have keys and some tool here to screw, and also a manual. Then we have the second unit here. Like this.
The Tesla Model 3 roof rack system is compatible with a Yakima ski holder, and there is a standardized key system, so you can have the same pair of keys for both units. I bought it since I thought it would be practical, but I bought only a set of 4 locking cores. Since you are locking the Tesla Model 3 roof rack in 4 points and the EVO Fat key in 2, you need to have a set of at least 6 locking cores. But here is anyway how to change it using a special control key with flat edges. When putting back the core into the roof rack, you have to adjust the small metal bar so the pin of the core fits into the hole of the locking mechanism.